So I just finished my Tesla road trip, and one thing I wish was a little bit better about the seats was this area. You see this little gap that I have right here? And it's apparent on this region over here, your lower back. Two places where it would be super nice if there was more cushioning. Well, thanks to TLOL, now there is. You got a bunch of different colors and you can pick which one's your favorite. Drive in style with that plush comfort. I'm back home right now, right? So I literally just finished my whole road trip. I got two of these bad boys. One's for the driver's seat, one's for the passenger seat. Hello! You're over there now, I'm over here. Let's rip this guy open. Okay, this is the lower part, and it's nice. It's just so seamless. All it does is it kind of just sits where your lower back is. Oh, that's pretty nice. And then we have the headrest part. Now the headrest part does have a strap right here, and that's just so it can go behind the headrest. I mean, well, what else do I have to say? I like it. What's nice about this is now there's no more gap here. Check this out, y'all. So it really concaves to your neck, because your neck has a little bit, it shouldn't have too much, but it has a little bit of a natural curve, and this really holds your neck right here. And what's nice is it's curved on the side, so if you decide to lean over, like you want to check your sides, check out the sides, or if you're just on a long trip, you kind of want to lean off to the side a little bit, this still holds your head, so it's pretty nice. And it's legit the same thing for the bottom, so check this out. It's literally hugging me on the side. It's like those seats that are super bolstered that hold you around the corners, but these are memory foam, right? So it's softer, more comfortable, it just feels so nice. It's on this side as well. So it's gonna hold your back straight. That's one really important thing. When you're driving, sometimes during long trips, I tend to at least kind of lean to the side, which is not good, especially for long periods of time, because your spine, it like kind of goes off to the side, and that's not good. So what this does, it's gonna force you to stay in the middle, but it's gonna do so comfortably because you have the memory foam up here and the memory foam up here, and it's aligning. At least that's coming from my perspective. This just feels good. If you do want to turn as well, if you turn your body, it's gonna be the same scenario on the bottom where this is going to hug you and cup you. It feels nice on the top and the bottom. I like it. If you like it, or at least want to check it out, I mean, at least check it out. I have a link in the description below. Make sure you use Tesla FPV at checkout to save you some money and get you some really cool, really comfortable, watch, memory foam. It feels good. I've seen luxury cars like Rolls-Royce, Bentleys, some high-end Mercedes come with cushions in the car. So I'm just putting that out there. You want to upgrade the luxurious feel, you want to make it feel more comfortable, especially on long drives, because autopilot, hey, autopilot is the GOAT for long drives. This pairs it super nicely, makes the whole thing so much more enjoyable. Remember to check it out. Later, y'all.
Yeah.